REJOOL is a very young startup developing a hydrogen compression technology specifically designed for very small-scale decentralized hydrogen systems. So we thought there's such a need, such a gap in the market that actually the ramp-up of this decentralized hydrogen ecosystem can work. Someone would need to develop this solution right between the electrolyzer and the fuel cell, and that's the compressor.
There were no really company looking in this market, and therefore say, yeah, there is a niche market, and there we can start our startup. We are expecting a strong and rapid growth in this market, and therefore it's absolutely necessary to go the digitalization way.
Digitalization is absolutely necessary to just be efficient, to be fast, and to actually adapt to the market situations. Of course, what we needed was a CAD tool. We would need to design different components because the compressor sums up to roughly 200 parts. There's a bunch of pieces of components, roughly 50, 60 components that are our own. So we needed to develop these components because it's like a very, very small solution. And you cannot buy just, the pistons or the sealing rings that you would need to develop such a small product. Right from the start, we thought this will be a very part-intensive and component-intensive endeavor. So we would need somehow like a tool to structure all the data, to structure all the components. We decided to use the Xcelerator software as a service portfolio from Siemens that for our case consisted of Siemens NX, the Teamcenter X and the Teamcenter Share for collaborative working and data exchange. The reason we chose NX is because we needed a powerful CAD tool, and the NX Mach 3 was just the perfect fit for us. We chose Teamcenter X is because, straightforward, we didn't have the personal and financial resources to implement an on-premise solution of Teamcenter.
We're a small company, yeah. We are still in the beginning, and we have not the resources, not the financial resources, not the personal resources. So therefore, when Luca said, yeah, we have to put everything in the cloud, yeah, that's the right way.
We are very confident about the security in Teamcenter X because there are several firewalls in place securing all of the processes and workflows inside Teamcenter X in our daily work basis. That we don't have a problem at all with that. We're using Teamcenter X for release management, for change management, and integrate that into our daily business. We also manage the bill of materials in Teamcenter X.
At the moment, we are in a small organization, mainly engineering and then a little bit assembly work. But we will have also quality people joining us. We will have people in logistics. We will have people in the process planning. And therefore, they need a PLM tool.
Teamcenter X is the perfect opportunity to being able to flexibly extend the number of users that we have, the number of workflows that we integrated, and the possibility to grow in Teamcenter X as we grow as a company. The possibility to being able to access Teamcenter X from wherever we are, wherever we work, because oftentimes we're on exhibitions, we're at our suppliers and partner side. Having Teamcenter X on our phone, on an iPad or on the laptop that we're carrying is quite perfect for us.
Visualization allows me to go more in detail with the discussions with my suppliers, with my partners. When I'm talking to a sub-supplier of a component, and it's more easy if you have a picture, yeah, you can visualize instead of just explaining.
We are using Teamcenter Share on a daily basis to securely and flawlessly exchange data and documents with our partners and suppliers. Teamcenter Share provides a secure way for us to exchange data, even sensible data like step files of our own components within this secure cloud-based infrastructure. With Teamcenter Share, we have the opportunity to select several or single parts of our own property right components and share these specific components with our suppliers and not giving them access to all of our own property components. We can send a link to our partners and suppliers just to registrate on our own Teamcenter Share cloud. And by doing this, we can share the data with our partners, and they don't even need to have a license like a Teamcenter Share or a Teamcenter license. So in the future, we will implement a digital twin of our assembly cells to further optimize and plan all of our processes and workflow throughout the assembly processes.